Development Department, orders by the Governor, notification number CDD 73 by 2022 by 45, dated Shillong, 8 November 2022. The Governor of Meghalaya is pleased to order the creation of Ramrai Community and Rural Development Block in the state with immediate effect. Ramrai CNRD block in West Kashis district will comprise of the following villages, which are 109 in number. With this creation, these listed villages will cease to exist in their respective earlier CNRD blocks. So on this momentous occasion, may I also request Honorable Chief Minister to officially hand over the notification in original to the Deputy Commissioner and BDO to mark the functioning of Ramrai CNRD block here today.
Bijang Paitba, Kanegri Gadak, Kanegri Gakot, Kanegri Gajimpo, Nagabanta, Kasirami Block Jongpi.
Thank you, sir. Bless you, Nikela.
Bless you,